This is my Bugatti Bolide from 77253 Bugatti Vision GT. What I mean by it's out of the Vision GT is it's an alternate build, and if you don't for some reason know what an alternate build is, it's where you can take the Bugatti Vision GT set, take it apart, and rebuild it into this. Unknowingly, I almost completely copied the Vision GT's lower front end, so I had to make some minor changes to kind of make it different. I reused the grille because it works, you know, what else am I going to do? And my favorite technique for doing Bugatti Bolide hoods in alternate builds is using these little wedge. Let me show you. I'll just take it off. Using these little wedges here and making the little hinge assembly by using one of these thick ring double-sided plate thingies. And put one on each side of the double-sided plate like this, and put like a black stripe down the middle, and I broke this, and that's, you know, it works really nice. I did that with my 77258 Bugatti Bolide. I think it's 258. I'll put a picture of it on the screen while I fix this for you guys. There, all fixed. So I had this, okay, going way back to whenever this set was leaked, we didn't have any pictures, or we didn't have any, you know, idea what it was going to look like. All I knew was that a Bugatti Vision GT was coming out. So I got the idea, you know, me being me, immediately when I hear a set leak, I start thinking of alternate build ideas so I can jump on them, you know, right when they get released. So when I heard that the Bugatti Vision GT was coming out, I was like, I'm going to do a Bolide out of that. And I thought I was so clever, and I thought I was the only one who was going to do a Bolide. But this happened. Yeah, like 4 other people did a Bolide, 3 other people, and I was the first one, so yay, but probably not the best one. I don't know, that's up for you, that's up to you guys to decide, but I'm pretty happy with mine. But anyways, you know what they say, great minds think alike, and I guess that's what happened here. Like, you know, everybody did a Bolide because it's perfect to do out of the set. Oh, the camera's already about to die, so I'm going to hurry up here. It does fit one minifigure, kind of off-center because I couldn't fit 2 seats, and there's 2 of the alternate builds have red taillights, and mine is one of them. And yeah, with nothing else I broke it. With nothing else to say about this Bugatti Bolide, I'll get to you guys some instructions, and the camera is gonna... The camera didn't actually die. I just wanted to pretend like it did to make it funny, but too bad it actually... Got you again. Anyways, instructions time. out.